Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another mobile app tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Acorns app membership. Okay, so here we are in the Acorns app. There's actually been an update, so the interface is a little different and it's not any better. I hate to make this video, but I'm quitting Acorns. So this is a little bit of an update video as well. I'm quitting Acorns. I'm going to show you how to cancel your account, withdraw all your money, and cancel your subscription if you want to do this as well. So I've tried this app. It's probably been for like 6 months or something now. I can tap here. I did turn off all of my reoccurring investments and everything because they were just losing me money. I think overall I've lost about $5. So how it works is it's like passive investing. You give them money and they invest it for you. You can do settings like aggressive, moderately aggressive. What's this one? Conservative. I just don't love it. I don't like the app. I don't like that I'm not in control. I don't like that I don't understand the things or companies that they might be investing in. And honestly, I just want to use Cash App because Cash App is so underrated. Cash App is so much better. I'm going to take this money and just buy a share of Square stock because Square owns Cash App. I think Cash App is severely underrated. So we're going to get more into that in future videos. But for now, let me show you how to close your Acorns account. So what you want to do is tap your profile icon in the top left corner. It's going to bring you to this screen, and then you want to tap on settings. From here it's going to show your information, all of this stuff. What you want to do is tap on my subscription. Once you're on the my subscription page, you want to scroll down and you want to tap cancel subscription. So this is going to give you a pop-up message that says, are you sure? You can pause your account activity from the linked accounts page. If you still want to close your account, we will sell your investments and the balance will be transferred back to your funding source in 3 to 6 days. So this is basically saying it's going to close everything and send the money back to your bank in 3 to 6 days. So I'm going to tap yes, continue. It's going to bring us to another confirmation screen. It says cancel your subscription after confirming some information. We'll take the following actions to end your subscription. Withdraw all funds from your account, close your account, cancel your subscription. Tap get started. Reason for canceling subscription: not enough control over my investments. I think that's what I want. It says you can change your portfolio, but I'd rather just buy stocks and companies that I believe in using Cash App. So it says tell us more. I don't love Acorns. Tap next. So it says cancel your subscription. Your money will be transferred to your bank. Then we'll automatically close your account and cancel your subscription. And it says I have $76.73 and I need to tap the red button. Are you sure again? This means you will sell your shares, transfer money, your link checking account, and cancel your subscription. Continue. Closure in progress. Once the transfers have processed, we'll close your accounts and cancel your subscription. Transfers may take up to 3 to 6 business days. So I think that's it. Let's quit this app and then let's actually open the app back up again. And it just has this cancel subscription thing. So that's all I need to do. Now I just need to wait 3 to 6 days. Like I said, I'm using Cash App. I love Cash App. Cash App investing works great. They've got stocks, they've got Bitcoin. It's so easy to just come in here and buy a little bit of whatever stocks you want. And you don't have to buy an entire share. If you want to just buy a few dollars of Apple, like I bought $5 of Apple, I've gained 23 cents. Breaks it all down nice and easy. I have tutorial videos on exactly how to use this app for investing in stocks and Bitcoins. So this is what I recommend. This is what I'm doing. I'm getting out of Acorns. I'm also going to be getting out of another app, and I'll talk about that soon on my channel, so feel free to subscribe if you're interested in this stuff. That's all for this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.